Hello friends, today date is 15 June 2021. Some of my viewers have requested me in chat that you always make video in Hindi, due to which we are deprived from your valuable videos. Please make your precious videos in English so that we can understand your ideas behind every move. So today, for the first time, I have decided that I will make my videos in English also. Well, my today's video is an example of the Grunfeld defense, in which I am playing with white side and my opponent with black pieces. I started the game with d4. My opponent plays the move knight to f6. Then I played c4. He replies with g6. After that, knight is taken out here. It's a book move. After this, black can play two moves here. Either he can play d5, or if he plays d5, it will become Grunfeld defense. Or if he plays bishop to g7, it will become King's Indian defense, but he chose d5. After d5, here good move comes, which is knight to f3, or c takes d5 is also good move. He then landed his dark square bishop to g7 for castling in next move. So here the move comes queen to b3. So defend c4 pawn. After that, pawns exchange. After that, I put my bishop on f4. It could also have placed on g5. It will be okay. Then he took out his knight at c6 to hit my d4 pawn. So to save my d4 pawn, I did e3 and gave way to my light square bishop by opening its diagonal. After that, black castles, and I pushed my pawn to h3 so that his bishop or his knight could not come to g4. Then he placed his bishop on e6, and by doing this, he removed the support from his b7 pawn, and I took his disadvantage and took his b7 pawn through my queen. After that, his knight hit back at my queen, just like counter attack. So I decided to exchange queen. But here he said that you exchange. He gave me a chance to exchange queen, but I took here free knight. After that, he plays his knight on e4 to hit my c3 knight. So I took out my bishop to a6 so that I can castle king side, and my plan to put my a1 rook to b1, and then I will take it to b7 to hit his queen. And game goes like this. Yes, I executed my plan. I want to take this rook to b7 to hit his queen. Yes, he saved his queen and placed to e8. I again attacked by my bishop, and I took a pawn, and after that the game goes like this. Here I did a mistake. I lost my queen here because I was greedy to take pawn, but I ignored that queen, and I placed my king to g2, and my plan is taking rook to h1, and I did so, and here he blundered and I checkmate. Okay, bye bye.